6 na ba tayo straight? Kasi di ba yung sa gitna? Magandang pangalan yung ano.
I think mas maganda mo na i-roof deck natin
Ay,
siya.
sige. Yun o, may kita mo yung buong
Apa?
tingin na Jimmy.
Tuming nga majing ngi. Pero sakali balik tayo bukas kung mag-decide yun dito. Kaya lang, kailangan natin i-confirm na okay yung Citibank natin.
How you know?
Magbabay tayo ng ano, diba? 6 pa na tayo, no?
We go
Baka tayo tatatak.
terrace.
Ito yung terrace.
Yeah. At the risque envoyé. It says there.
Terrace.
Here, la terrace.
Go.
You took away?
Are you playing?
Playing?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, really? Already? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we were asking.
Oh, okay, thank you. Try natin pa rin. Kumusta nga? Ay, mama.
See? Why is it closed? There's not much of them.
Yeah, it's already 8 na siguro. But at least may makikita ka naman.
Yeah.
Sarap rin dumaan para doon.